Current affairs, today's headlines, November 4, 2022. India. Ministry of Education releases Performance Grading Index for states, UTs for 2020-21. Kerala, Punjab, Chandigarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh attain level -2 grading. Gross enrollment ratio improves at all levels of school education in 2021-22. UDISE, Unified District Information System for Education, Plus. President inaugurates Indian Institute of Mass Communication, IIMC, Northeastern Regional Campus at Aizawl. Karnataka makes 10 minutes daily meditation compulsory in schools, pre-university colleges. MPCM Shivraj Singh Chauhan launches Ladli Lakshmi 2.0 financial assistance scheme for girls. Gujarat Assembly elections to be held in 2 phases on December 1, 5. Result on December 8. Economy and corporate. Indian Army registers intellectual property rights (IPR) of the new design and camouflage pattern uniform. Finance Minister launches biggest ever coal mine auction of 141 mines. Urban Mobility India Conference and Expo 2022 to be held in Kochi on November 4 to 6. Organised by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in collaboration with Gov. of Kerala. Unemployment rate surges to 7.6%.